Oh, well, would you look at that? I didn't have to use this knife. Lucky me. Just a little couple more adjustments. There we go. Got the proper length. Measured just right. Now we can go back to putting these on this one. We don't want this. These are two ends. See how this one went up into this part? You'll see here. Move the camera closer. This is not what we want. We need this to go in exactly. See that gap where my finger is? Right there? See? Right there. We need that to go in there. So, perfect technique. You'll see here, I took the corner and I moved it inside there. So now all I have to do is just pull it like this. There we go. See? Now we're going to do the same thing. Put these two through here, like this. We're going to do the same thing. We're going to put these two through here. That'd be a little tricky. What we'll do, push both of these back, like this, and then push this forward, and then like that. Now, it's a little bit longer. So we want to kind of have it at a good length. So, this, we're going to probably move it over right up to this point. And I'm going to put a second one probably right, you'll see right there. Okay, do the same thing we did earlier. You don't want it that long. Okay, remember, you see how long this is? We want to make it just long enough. See how much space this is? We need to have it longer than that. So just maybe about this length. There we go. Then we're going to use one. Now for the final piece is this. Now, make sure what is the direction that the strap is going. So we want to follow it, follow it, follow it, follow it. Let's double check what the top strap right here. What direction is this facing? What direction do we want to have, since this part is not going to be facing me. See this button right here? This is going to be facing away from me. So it wouldn't be wise to try and put it, let's say what we had it earlier, which was facing this way. No, the other way around. Let's see. See? So, we don't want that. We need to have it turn the other way so it can click. Okay, that way I press this down, and it's easy access. Like this. So, again, this is going to be facing this way. See? This way. So what? Let's go over it again. What way do we want to have it facing? And I'm talking about this, but because this is going to be connecting to this part, we want it to do this way. So, I'm going to put this away. What end do we want to have it facing? We want to have this end face this way. Why? Because when this gets turned around, this is going to be the end that's going to be connecting to this. Okay? Like this. I'm going to push upwards like this. Hold on. I want to make sure I grab on the back, push forward, and then pull down. Let's see how that works. There we go. I'll pull back a little bit more. This is what's going to connect my shoulder.